In a world where most blockchains struggle with slow speeds, congestion, and scalability issues, one project is stepping out of the crowd with a razor-sharp focus: SEI. This isn't just another Layer 1 blockchain trying to do everything. SEI is different. It's built specifically for one purpose: trading at speed and scale. With revolutionary features like parallel execution, innovative transaction ordering, and an exchange-grade matching engine built right into the chain, SEI isn't playing catch-up. It's setting the standard for the future of decentralized trading. But with the crypto space filled with hype and noise, how do we separate real innovation from market buzz? Can SEI truly redefine how decentralized exchanges operate, or is it just another token riding the wave? In this video, we dive deep into everything you need to know, from its price action and tokenomics to its real-world utility and long-term potential. So buckle up, because what you're about to watch is not just a review, it's a full-scale breakdown of one of the most promising Layer 1 projects in crypto today. Welcome to the ultimate guide to SEI. In the ever-evolving world of blockchain and decentralized finance, countless projects attempt to claim relevance, but only a few manage to carve out a clear niche. One such project is SEI, a Layer 1 blockchain built with a razor-sharp focus on one thing: trading. In a sea of general-purpose blockchains, SEI positions itself as a sector-specific infrastructure, engineered from the ground up to optimize for speed, efficiency, and fairness in high-frequency trading environments. From its unique consensus design to its integrated order matching engine, SEI is not just another token on the market. It is a technological response to the needs of tomorrow's decentralized exchanges, DEXs. As of today, the price of SEI is 0.22479, marking a 6.06% increase over the past 24 hours. Its 24-hour trading volume stands at a healthy $100.50 million, and it commands a market capitalization of $1.08 billion. With these metrics, SEI currently holds a market dominance of 0.03%, modest but notable for a relatively new project. The token's short-term momentum suggests a rebound in interest, though it exists within a broader bearish sentiment, reflecting the volatility and complexity of the market at large. Looking at historical performance, SEI reached its all-time high, ATH, of 1.13943 on March 16, 2024. That marked a significant milestone and placed it on the radar of large investors. On the flip side, SEI experienced its all-time low of 0.94921 on October 19, 2023, a stark reminder of the token's volatility. Following its ATH, it hit a cycle low of 0.13197 before recovering to a cycle high of $27416. These price swings not only reflect speculative activity, but also underline the rapid ebb and flow of investor sentiment in emerging blockchain ecosystems. Despite short-term fluctuations, market indicators provide mixed signals. The Fear and Greed Index currently stands at 64, placing it in the greed zone, which generally indicates investor confidence and increased buying activity. However, technical sentiment remains bearish, suggesting caution among traders, particularly in light of broader market headwinds and liquidity concerns. In such scenarios, fundamental analysis becomes even more important, especially when a project like SEI brings unique innovations to the table. Now let's break down the tokenomics, arguably one of the most critical aspects for any investor. SEI currently has a circulating supply of 5.33 billion tokens out of a maximum cap supply of 10 billion. The project has experienced a yearly supply inflation rate of 82.29%, meaning approximately 2.41 billion new tokens were created in the past year alone. While such rapid token generation may fuel ecosystem expansion and incentivize early participation, it also raises red flags about long-term price stability. High inflation can dilute token value unless accompanied by matching growth in demand and utility. Performance-wise, SEI has had an uneven trajectory. In the last 30 days, it's down by 2.23% against the US dollar, 31.53% against Ethereum, and 11.6% against Bitcoin. These figures reflect both market volatility and competitive pressure from established Layer 1 platforms. Yet, if we take a step back and consider long-term growth, 2023 was a phenomenal year for SEI. It appreciated by 182.50%, climbing from 20 to 56581. However, 2024 hasn't been as kind, with the token dropping by 29.45% year to date. Over the last 3 years, the average annual return sits at a respectable 76.53%, underscoring its potential as a mid to long-term holding. Interestingly, SEI exhibits a seasonal performance trend. Historically, the fourth quarter Q4 has been the best, with average gains of 179.01%. Meanwhile, the second quarter Q2 has proven to be the weakest, often seeing average losses of 58.79%. For investors who use cyclical timing strategies, this data could prove highly valuable when entering or exiting positions. In terms of accessibility and liquidity, SEI has been listed on more than 60 prominent cryptocurrency exchanges, including Binance and KuCoin, two of the most trusted platforms in the space. This broad availability is a strong sign of confidence from institutional players and ensures that traders can execute high-volume transactions without significant slippage. In the past 24 hours alone, over $101 million worth of SEI tokens changed hands, signaling active engagement from both retail and professional traders. So, what truly sets SEI apart from other Layer 1 chains? The answer lies in its architecture and purpose. Unlike general-purpose blockchains such as Ethereum or Solana, SEI is purpose-built for trading. It incorporates parallel execution to handle thousands of transactions simultaneously, dramatically improving throughput. Its transaction ordering mechanism minimizes latency and prevents front-running, a common problem in DeFi markets. Most notably, SEI features a built-in order-matching engine at the protocol level, enabling lightning-fast trade execution that rivals centralized exchanges. This combination of speed, security, and low latency makes SEI not just a blockchain, it's a foundational infrastructure for the next generation of decentralized trading platforms. The SEI blockchain is also interoperable with major ecosystems, and its development community continues to grow, adding new decentralized apps, dApps, oracles, and bridges. With an expanding toolkit, the SEI chain has the potential to become the go-to choice for high-frequency trading protocols, gaming economies, and automated market makers, AMMs, looking for speed without sacrificing decentralization. Looking ahead, the future of SEI will depend largely on its ability to sustain user adoption, manage inflation, and attract developers. The crypto landscape is fiercely competitive, and only projects that demonstrate both innovation and resilience can survive long-term. While challenges remain, particularly with token inflation and current market underperformance, SEI's unique architecture gives it a solid foundation to build upon. It's a bet on the infrastructure of future DeFi, and for the right kind of investor, it could be a strategic long-term play. Conclusion: SEI is not merely a token. It's a vision for what trading on the blockchain should look like: fast, fair, and purpose-built. With its specialized design, robust performance history, and continuously growing ecosystem, SEI stands out in an overcrowded market of generic chains. Whether you're an investor looking for the next big infrastructure project or a trader searching for speed and efficiency, SEI deserves a close look. This has been a detailed breakdown of the SEI project. If you found this insightful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and enable notifications for more in-depth analyses on crypto's most promising projects.